68 years of non-stop hiccups. Charles Osborne holds the bizarre and unwanted world record for the longest hiccuping spree, starting in 1922 and ending in 1990. Imagine hiccuping up to 40 times a minute, of every day for nearly 7 decades. Doctors were baffled, and no cure ever worked for him. He hiccuped through major life events, from getting married to raising children, and remarkably, he just kept living his life. It's a testament to human endurance and the strange quirks of our bodies. Could you imagine dealing with that every day?